Are you ready? Let's go! Hey everyone, it's Kelly and Rocket here to do Paws Up. If you have Kara's 51 Puppy Tricks book, take it out and go along with us. We are on page 48 and 49. You're going to need a good, sturdy pedestal. We have cinder blocks. Get creative. Use whatever you can find around the house. I will also post some more of our pedestals in the video. What you want to make sure is your pedestal is sturdy because your puppy trusts you. And if it moves or makes noise and scares them, they may not want to go up on the pedestal. So make sure it's sturdy. And Rocket and I are going, I'm going to explain, and then Rocket and I will demonstrate. He's already demonstrating. Yes, good job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a treat and I'm going to lure Rocket up onto the pedestal. As soon as his front paws hit the pedestal, I'm going to tell him yes and treat, or click and treat. When you're luring up, you can cue the word paws up. So let's give it a shot, Rocket. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see us better. Here. Okay, let's go, Rocket. So, take a treat. Lure your puppy up. And as you're luring, ask him paws up. Tell him paws up. Yes! Good job. Very good, Rocket. Okay, and I always like to reset. Let him know that it's over and he can relax. And let's try it again. Take your treat. Lure your puppy up onto the pedestal. Paws up. Yes. Good job, Rocket. Very good. Yes. Good job. This is a really cool trick because we can build on it. We can do more complex tricks with paws up. And I will definitely, let me zoom you out so you can see us better. And I will definitely be demonstrating more complex tricks with the paws up. You can do say your prayers or bow your head. There's so many cool tricks. So again, let's recap. Get a sturdy pedestal. Make sure it's sturdy because your puppy trusts you and you don't want them to be scared and not want to go up on the pedestal. Once you have a really good pedestal, you want to lure your puppy up, and as you're luring up, you want their two front paws to hit the pedestal. As soon as they do, click and treat, yes and treat. As you're luring, ask them paws up. Paws up. Yes, good job. So that's pretty much it. Let's one more time. Okay. Rocket loves this trick, so we're going to do it one more time. Paws up. Yes, good job, Rocket. Yay. Make sure both their paws are on the pedestal when you click yes, yes, and treat. So there you have it. Paws up with Rocket and Kelly. If you have any questions, always ask. We're always available. And until next time, happy puppy star spark trick training. Take care. See you. Bye-bye. You ready, Rocket? Okay. Yay. Good job, Rocket. Yay!